Hello, welcome to Ask a Professional. I'm Elizabeth and we are exploring Tantra. So what is dearmoring? From the time of our birth, we store emotions and trauma deeply within the skin into a layer known as the cellular memory. This is where the trauma stores until it can be released through breath, through sound, or through deep body work known as dearmoring. Dearmoring helps the channels open within the body, which means the energy can move more effectively prior to the massage beginning. There are main channels here in the base of the neck and at the base of the spine, and the spine is the connecting channel between the two. We use a scooping motion to open the channel at the base of the neck here. We use a rocking motion at the base of the spine and also down the legs. Then a fanning motion is used to help move up the energy from the feet, up the legs, up through the spine and out through the top of the head prior to the massage beginning.